Hello eBay sellers, welcome back to our brand new series which explores eBaymag, a tool that offers enhanced exposure to help your business grow internationally. While you can revisit the previous video to understand eBaymag's sign-up process and benefits, this video will help you learn and understand how to use eBaymag tools for geo-expansion correctly. Let's begin by understanding the various ways you can import listings via the eBaymag tool. Number 1. Automatically importing from eBay to eBaymag. All item information, that is, description, quantities, price, etc., can be imported automatically from eBay to eBaymag. However, you can turn this feature on or off according to your preference. Number 2. Manually importing from eBay to eBaymag. If you want to start a new import from eBay to eBaymag or prefer a manual update, these features are also available in eBaymag. You can manually select the eBay site where you want to list your items and where you want to import from and start importing. Number 3. Importing from Excel or creating a listing manually. Additionally, as a seller, you can also attach an Excel file and import a list of items or create items manually. eBaymag automatically translates the titles and descriptions of the listings to the respective site's language from an array of supported languages which include English, German, French, Italian, and Spanish. It also allows you to edit the translations as per your preference after the system has translated the titles and descriptions. However, while importing these listings, it is important to understand and keep an eye out for the following listing indicators. A gray clock icon indicates that the system is currently publishing the listings. A yellow retry exclamation mark indicates an error in the publishing process, causing the publishing to fail. In such a case, the system will automatically retry publishing the listing. A green toggle tells you that the items have been published successfully. A red cross indicates that the listing was not published successfully, while a red exclamation point indicates a problem with updating a listing that has already been published. In case of an error, you can click on the indicator to view the details regarding the error and address it. Once you have imported your listings, there are a number of steps and features to help you manage your listings via the eBaymag tool. Manage listings via eBaymag. Number 1. Enabling international sites. As a seller, you can choose to enable an international site to list your items on. To do so, you can simply click on the site's icon when logging on to eBaymag for the first time. After enabling the international site option, you can choose the listings that you would like to enlist on the respective international sites. Number 2. Category selection. eBay has its own category classification which may vary for each eBay market. eBaymag will automatically adapt your international listings to the most relevant category. You can also assign the categories manually. Number 3. Managing exchange rate and price corrections. As a seller, when you post a listing via eBaymag, the exchange rates for international sites are fetched from the market exchange rate. Once the listing is published, the item's price on international sites remains unchanged. It is not recalculated even if there is a change in the market exchange rate unless you make changes to the original listing or if a buyer purchases the item. However, situations where updates may occur are as follows. When there is a content or inventory change in the listing on the original site, or an order has been generated, the item's price will be recalculated using the latest exchange rate in the eBaymag system and then synchronized with the international sites. Or if there is a manual price correction on eBaymag's sites page, eBaymag will recalculate the item's price based on the latest exchange rate in the eBaymag system. For listings that are yet to be published, the price will be calculated based on the latest exchange rate in the eBaymag system when the listing is published. Please note that item prices will remain unchanged for listings where manual price modifications have been made. In such cases, the listing is not subject to automatic updates and adjusting the percentage will not affect the price. Price correction. In order to use the price correction feature efficiently, specify the percentage by which you want to decrease or increase prices for all items on a specific site. You can set both positive and negative correction percentages. You can also fine-tune the item price on eBaymag by specifying a set percentage. For instance, you can input -10 to decrease the price of an item by 10% or +5 to increase it by 5%. Note that if the price is set manually, it remains fixed and will not be recalculated when the exchange rate changes. Please keep in mind that any prices you manually set previously on the item page won't be impacted by this correction, as they are considered to already include corrected rates. Now let's move on to item price and shipping cost synchronization. Item price and shipping cost share the same exchange rate system. However, changing the shipping cost on the original site and then synchronizing it with eBaymag and the international site is not supported. For listings that have been published, unless the seller updates the shipping policy on eBaymag, the shipping cost won't be automatically updated if the exchange rate changes. When the eBaymag shipping policy is updated, the shipping cost is calculated using the latest exchange rate and is automatically synchronized with the published listings. Number 4. Synchronizing inventory. eBaymag automatically synchronizes your inventory, including item information, description, quantities, prices and policies, etc. on the basis of your original listing site. Therefore, it is important that you keep a track of the inventory of your original listing site. Number 5. Listing synchronization settings. eBaymag's listing synchronization settings found in Account Settings come with 3 default toggles for new users. Update items quantities and content from the original item ensures that changes made to the original eBay listing, such as quantities, item details and prices, automatically reflect in eBaymag listings within a few hours. Importing new items automatically imports listings from selected sites onto eBaymag. You can choose to import from multiple sites or only one as the original site. Archive an item if the original listing was delisted on eBay automatically archives items on eBaymag if the original eBay listing is delisted. Here, if update items quantities and content from the original item is turned off, you can manually sync your listings using update items content or update quantities. For listing synchronization settings for auto-publishing via list imported items on the enabled sites, toggle on will publish items to enabled sites automatically, toggle off if the user wants to publish items manually. Kindly note, if you activate the list imported items on enabled website button, please monitor the number of items published. Otherwise, listing renewal charges may apply. Thank you, sellers. We hope this video has been informative in helping you understand how to manage your item listings via eBaymag efficiently. Don't forget to follow our page and subscribe for similar content.